Please don't mind the video quality. I know it's not good, but I didn't have time to set up everything properly. It's been a very long time since I made my last YouTube video, but I've just been busy with my personal stuff. I've been taking care of my family. That's the most important thing. And making YouTube videos consistently have been taking a back seat, at least until today. Um, I guess from now on, I'm going to try to be as active as possible. So if you're wondering who I am, I'm an indie game developer. For several years, I've been writing code, trying to build games that I like, whether that makes money or not. Now, why is that important? I've been trying to be consistent, whether it's game dev or anything else. I try to do things for the long term. I think building a community is good, even if it's online. Building a community and talking, figuring things out, writing code, planning, all those things take time. And especially in game dev, way back when Unity was relevant, people were coming in and saying, how do I make a game? In 2 days, I want to make $1 million. I've always been saying that's not what you should aim for. Keep coding because you enjoy coding. And that's the whole message. I'm completely new to this meme coin space, but I want to make my message consistent. Whether you make big money or not, keep coding because you like it. I know there's AI recently that might make you feel coding by hand might be relevant. I don't think that that's the case, but anyways, keep coding because you like it. For your info, I'm not a huge fan of vibe coding. I have tried it. I do vibe code from time to time, but I do try to read every line of my code, even if I use AI. So that's who I am in a nutshell. I'm working on a CFG3. I'm calling it C Fighting Game 3. It's a third iteration of what I've been doing recently. I've been writing a fighting game in C, but recently I've been trying to rewrite everything in C. So I've only started this recently, so there isn't much there to show you. I think only the rendering and the input works. If you've seen my GitHub page, there's a CPPFG2, which is the second iteration, the one before this, that's got a working editor, the hitbox, the hit animations, and so on. So this is just me starting to rewrite everything in C. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep working on this very project or maybe create a new one just for the token, keep coding token. I haven't decided. There's a lot to talk about. I also want to talk to the people that are coming to the Discord server, to my Discord server, and find out what they want, see if there's any good ideas. I have been hearing some good ideas. The whole keep coding token thing, it became online only a few hours ago, and I've been excited and shocked at the same time. I wasn't expecting people to come to my Discord server immediately and start talking, but it is happening, and I want to be as active as possible and talk things through and hopefully build a community. I'm not looking to do things over a few seconds, hours, a few days time period. I'm thinking in terms of weeks, months, even years, whatever it takes. I'm not looking to sell anything. I'm not selling my tokens. I've been seeing a lot of people ask that question. But going back to the first thing I said in this video, whether it's indie games or meme coins or whatever, I like doing things for the long term. I'm a slow learner. I learn things slowly. That's how I've always been. But I I stick to what I enjoy, which has been coding. And my experience is if you enjoy doing something and you stick to it and you work on it, spend time on it, put a lot of effort into it, eventually good things happen. New opportunities come, you meet new people, you meet lots of like-minded people, and you have fun. And hopefully at the end, there'll be some monetary gain, but that should not be your primary goal, especially if you're an indie game dev like me. So, my wife is getting kind of angry, so I got to end the video here. But before I end it, let's just say for the record that I'm not selling my tokens. Just like the message, I will keep coding and keep working on what I enjoy doing, keep talking to people, and see what happens. If you have any questions, if you want to talk about things, I'm going to post all the links. So it shouldn't be too hard to reach me. I'm going to try to be as active as possible, as much as possible, on X, on YouTube, on Discord. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later.